안녕하세요, this is KSTYLEyo. Today I'm going to talk about dates in Korean. If this is the first time for you to watch my YouTube video, my name is Inyoung. I'm from South Korea, was born in Incheon, and moved to Canada about 10 years ago. Ever since, I've been helping students from all over the world to improve their Korean language from zero knowledge, starting from alphabet to fluent speaking level. So you can do the same. I post my YouTube video every single week on Wednesdays and Saturdays. If you like to see more of this type of video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you don't miss out any single new video. So let's get started. Today I'm going to talk about dates in Korean. This is not about dating with Korean person. This is about reading dates. I noticed that in Western world, there are many different ways to read dates. It could be month, date, and year, or day, month, year. Sometimes year, month, day. They're all different. But in Korean, from what I remember, it's always the same format, which is year first, month, and day. So it's very easy to indicate which one is which. So I found that this is a lot easier in Korean. You need to know what the words are. Year, month, and day. Year is 년. 년. Month is 월. 월. Day is 일. 일. 년, 월, 일. So in order to read dates, first of all, you need to learn how to read Korean number. If you don't know Korean number systems, make sure to watch the video right here. So this video, I'm not talking about different systems in Korean. I'm going to tell you, in order to read dates in Korean, you need to know Chinese number system, which is also called Shino system. So in order to read year, you need to know different digits from 10 to 1000. We don't have 10,000 yet, so you're saved. So starting from 10, 10 is ship. S and E vowel becomes SH. So ship. B underneath, sheep. You don't have to say sheep. In that case, you're actually extending another vowel of becomes two syllables, which you don't want. You're going to stop at one syllable, ship. And then 100, back, back. 1000, 천, 천. Ship, back, 천. That's the digit you must know in order to read year. When you read any number, you're going to read number first and then the digit. Let's say 2019. 2 is the number, E. 1000 is the digit, which is 천, 이천. And 0, you don't have to say anything. And 19 is the remaining. 1 is the number and digit is 10. 10 is ship. 1 ship. And then 9, which is 구. And 구 is just 구. There is no digit associated. 2019년, that's the year. But however, when you read numbers, we often drop 1 as a number. So technically, you're going to read 2019년 instead of 2019년. And then month. This is kind of fascinating thing to look at as a difference between English and Korean. Because English, there are different words that are associated to each month. January is the first month of the year. February, second month of the year. So you have to know each word that represents each month of the year in English. But in Korean, you just say the number. We don't have words that are associated to each month of the year like in English. So that's the big difference. So let's start from January until December in Korean. January 1월 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 February 2월 2월 March 3월 3월 April 4월 4월 May 5월 5월. There is an exception for June. Even though 6 is yuk in Chinese number system, but we drop G when you write and pronounce as well. 6월 6월 July 7월 7월 August 8월 8월 September 9월 9월 October. This is another exception. Just like June, you drop B as the last consonant. Instead of 10월, we say 10월 10월 November 11월 11월 December 12월 12월. Hopefully this is clear to read the months. So now we're done with month. Day is pretty easy as well.